Hello, adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, Exploring Monk. Today we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to Nairobi, the vibrant capital of Kenya. Known for its rich culture, diverse wildlife, and bustling city life, Nairobi promises an unforgettable experience. So let's dive into the heart of Kenya and explore what makes Nairobi a must-visit destination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel insights. Nairobi is a city where culture and history intertwine. Start your journey at the Nairobi National Museum, a treasure trove of Kenya's historical, cultural, and natural heritage. Immerse yourself in the traditional arts and crafts at the Masai market, where you can also pick up unique souvenirs. Don't miss the chance to witness the traditional music and dance performances that reflect the soul of Kenya. Tip: engage with local artisans to learn about the significance behind their crafts. It's not just shopping, it's a cultural exchange. Nairobi's culinary scene is a delightful blend of local and international flavors. Indulge in traditional Kenyan dishes like ugali and sukuma wiki, or savor the popular street food samosas. For a unique experience, visit the carnivore restaurant, known for its exotic meats. Try the local Kenyan coffee. Nairobi is renowned for its high-quality coffee beans, offering a taste that's both rich and refreshing. Nairobi is not just a bustling city, it's a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. At the heart of this is the Nairobi National Park, a unique ecosystem where the wilderness meets the city skyline. This park is a sanctuary for a variety of animals, including lions, giraffes, leopards, and black rhinos, offering a rare glimpse of these majestic creatures just a stone's throw from the urban landscape. The park's diverse habitats, from open grass plains to acacia bushland, support an astonishing range of bird life. Birdwatchers can delight in spotting species like the African fish eagle and the secretary bird. For a more immersive experience, consider a guided walk or a safari drive at dawn when the park is alive with animal activity. Another must-visit is the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, an acclaimed elephant orphanage. Here you can witness the heartwarming sight of baby elephants being fed and playing in the mud baths. This trust plays a crucial role in the rescue and rehabilitation of orphaned elephants, offering insights into conservation efforts in Kenya. For a different wildlife encounter, the Giraffe Center, located just outside Nairobi, offers the chance to get up close and personal with the endangered Rothschild's giraffes. Feeding these gentle giants from your hand is an unforgettable experience and a perfect photo opportunity. Tip: while in the park, maintain a respectful distance from the wildlife. Remember, you're in their home. Use binoculars or a good zoom lens for a closer view without disturbing the animals. Not far from the city, the Ngong Hills provide a serene escape with panoramic views and hiking trails. The hills' cool breeze and tranquil ambiance are ideal for a day trip, offering a refreshing contrast to the city's hustle. In Nairobi, the harmony between urban life and natural wonders is evident. This city is a testament to the coexistence of progress and preservation, making it a unique destination for those seeking both adventure and tranquility. Experience the city's dynamic urban life. Explore the modern shopping malls, vibrant nightclubs, and bustling markets. Nairobi's cosmopolitan vibe is palpable in its lively streets and diverse population. Tip: use reliable taxi services or ride-hailing apps for convenient city travel. While Nairobi is a welcoming city, it's important to stay aware of your surroundings. Stick to well-lit and populated areas, especially at night. Keep your valuables secure and be cautious with street vendors. Nairobi is a city of contrasts where wildlife meets urban hustle and traditional culture blends with modern lifestyles. It's a destination that offers something for every traveler. As we conclude our journey through Nairobi, we hope you're inspired to explore this vibrant city yourself. Remember to respect local customs and enjoy every moment of your adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next travel story. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Exploring Monk for more travel adventures.